Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if your TikTok videos you are sending to someone or you are getting from someone are just not opening in the TikTok app and are actually opening, for example, in Safari, just like this. So yeah, basically if they are not opening within TikTok, then what you simply need to do is go and copy that, basically that URL of that video. So just click on copy, and what you need to do is you need to head over to your Notes app, just like this. And once you've done that, you want to paste that URL right there. And what you can do is you can actually hold down this URL and it will either say open in TikTok or open in Safari. So where you need to click is open in TikTok, just like this. And then the video will automatically be opened in TikTok, as you guys are going to see right now. And yeah, that's basically all you need to do. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.